Bloom's taxonomy is a framework that helps us understand how we learn and think about different things. It was originally proposed by an educational psychologist, Benjamin Bloom, in 1956, and it has been revised several times since then, with the latest revision being in 2001. Bloom's taxonomy is important in education because it helps teachers set clear learning goals, design effective lesson plans, and create meaningful assessments. Breaking down learning objectives into different levels of complexity allows educators to scaffold instruction and support students at various skill levels. It also encourages critical thinking and problem-solving skills by emphasizing higher-order cognitive processes like analysis, evaluation, and creativity. Ultimately, Bloom's taxonomy helps students develop a deeper understanding of the subject matter and prepares them for success in school and beyond. So, what is it? Essentially, it is a ladder with 6 steps. Each step represents a different level of thinking. The bottom steps are easier, while the top steps are more challenging. Let's take a closer look at each step or level. The first step is remembering. It involves recalling or recognizing information, concepts, or ideas without understanding them deeply. For example, remembering a historical date or a mathematical formula. The second step up is understanding. This is when you can explain what you have remembered in your own words. So if you remembered a historical date, understanding would mean you could explain why that date was important. The third step up is applying. This is when you can use what you have learned in new situations or contexts. It involves using information in a practical way to solve problems, perform tasks, or analyze situations. For example, if you learned a math formula, applying it means you can use it to solve different kinds of problems. The fourth step is analyzing. At this level, you break down information into a few components and see how they relate to each other. It's where you identify patterns, make connections, or distinguish between different elements. It's like taking something apart to see how it works. The fifth step is evaluating. This level involves making judgments or assessments about the value of ideas or materials. You decide whether something is good or bad, useful or not. The last step is creating. It's the highest level of Bloom's taxonomy, and it involves generating new ideas, products, or solutions based on previously acquired knowledge or skills. This is when you can put all the pieces together to make something new. So basically, Bloom's taxonomy helps teachers understand and plan what kind of thinking they want to encourage in their students, from basic remembering to advanced creating. Now, let me give you a practical example. Let's use Bloom's taxonomy to teach the word pizza. Step 1. Remember. At this level, you want your students to recall the word pizza and its basic characteristics. Show the picture of a pizza. and ask students to repeat the word pizza after you. Draw a simple word web to introduce the basic features of pizzas. Ask students to make simple sentences. Here's an example.
Okay, class, today we're going to learn about pizzas. Tell me what you know, please. Anyone? 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 Yes. Pizza is round. Round. Correct. Good sentence. Pizzas are round. Well done. Anybody else? Yes, please. Pizza is made of dough. Made of dough. Very good. Yes. Pizzas are made of dough. Great job. Thank you very much. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yes, please. Pizza has cheese on top. Yes, that's right. Pizzas have cheese on top. Good one. I like it. One more. One more. Can anybody give me one more? Yes, yes, please. Pizza is tasty. Pizza is delicious. Excellent. Yes, pizzas are tasty. I love pizza too.
Step 2. Understand. At this level, you want your students to be able to say and understand what a pizza is. Ask more complicated questions.
What is pizza? Pizza is yummy food with cheese, tomato sauce, and other tasty things on top. It is round, like a smile. Where does pizza come from? Pizza comes from Italy, but it's popular everywhere. Why do people like pizza? People love pizza because it's delicious and it's fun to eat with family and friends. What kind of pizza do you like? I like cheese pizza the most. It's super simple to make and it's super tasty. But sometimes I like pepperoni pizza as well because it has this spicy meat on top.
Step 3. Apply. At this level, ask your students to apply their understanding of pizza to real-life situations. Provide students with a pizza cutout, a pizza drawing, or a pizza recipe. Ask them to label the different parts of the pizza, such as crust, sauce, cheese, and toppings.
How do you make simple pizza? First, make the dough for the crust. Next, spread sauce on the dough. Then add your favorite toppings. Finally, sprinkle cheese on top and bake it until it's done.
Step 4. Analyze. At this level, ask your students to analyze the different components and variations of pizzas. Provide students with pictures or actual samples of various types of pizzas. For example, cheese pizza, pepperoni pizza, margarita pizza, veggie pizza. Use a Venn diagram. To identify similarities and differences among the pizzas, such as toppings, crust thickness, and flavors.
How are margarita pizza and pepperoni pizza different? Margarita pizza has basil leaves, while pepperoni pizza has pepperoni. How are they the same? Both have cheese and tomato sauce. Both are round and yummy.
Step 5. Evaluate. At this level, ask your students to evaluate their preferences for different types of pizzas. Put your students into groups or pairs. Tell them that they are food critics. Their job is to sample slices of different pizzas and express their opinions about which pizzas they like best and why.
Wow, I really enjoyed the margarita pizza because the fresh basil leaves gave it a nice herby flavor that balanced well with the tomato sauce and creamy cheese. The crust was crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, making each bite delightful. The pepperoni pizza was too spicy for me, but I still like the cheese and sauce.
Step 6. Create. At this level, ask your students to create their own imaginary pizzas with unique toppings. Provide students with blank pizza templates or drawing materials and ask them to design their dream pizzas. Encourage creativity by allowing them to come up with unusual and imaginative toppings. Afterwards, students can present their pizzas and describe their creations to the class. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more educational content. Also, please don't forget to smash the bell icon to turn the notifications on so you never ever miss a single upload, and also help your fellow teacher grow his channel. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day. Happy teaching.